Okay, here's our revised rendering with the length of this very close to that template, about 90, 96, 97 inches. So the face of the island, microwave here. Mind you, these cabinets are only 18 deep. Microwave here, a drawer below it. This would look like a drawer, but it's going to have a slab front. It won't have the paneling as these doors because we have to. The way we typically do this is we just slice that drawer front. It just has a cleaner look. So the top third opens up as a cutting board. So you don't see the cutting board when the cabinet's closed. Just pull this open, cutting board. That'll be the depth, the width, drawers below it, drawers to the right. This cabinet is on the inside, triangular. Waterfall here. Waterfall here. On the back of the island is paneling. Shaker paneling that you have every place else. Micro, cutting board, waterfall, waterfall, and then the paneling on the underside here. And then this line represents 37 inches. So you will have, that's the corner of the overhang to the corner there, 60 inches. So, I mean, really, it's only going to be 2 bar stools to get back in there, about 2 feet per bar stool. So we'd need, if we're going to do 3, we need another foot, but we've already added a foot to this. Again, this red line represents the edge of that door. So we're hanging out now, 14 inches into that space. But we can't go any further. We can't slide the island any further this way. All right.